Hey guys, thank you for tuning into Moo Outdoors. I'm out here at Montezuma Slough today. I'm trying to catch some stripers and possibly a sturgeon. I'm out here with my buddy George and Sean, and we just launched out of Belden's Landing, and we're gonna catch the incoming tide, head up to the Red Barn. Meanwhile, getting up there, we're gonna be trolling for stripers, and once we get up there, we're gonna anchor up, soak some bait. We got some salmon roe, we got night crawlers, we got eel, and American shad. So let's see what happens today. For striper, I'm using a 5-inch paddle tail swim bait, just like this, for a white.
This is Moo's striper zone right here. He always hooks up on the troll over here. Yeah.
So today's weather is pretty nice. Just a slight breeze. The temperature is a little chilly. When we got here, it was around 35 degrees, now probably high 30s. And current, like I said before, we're catching the incoming tide, and it's moving about just over 1 mile per hour. So current is not too bad. We got about 1 mile paddle to our sturgeon hunting ground. So let's see, hopefully we get some bites, striper bites on the way. Fish on! Little guy. Little guy here. Shaker. "16 inches. I'm marking one right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna anchor over here.
George, do you copy?
I got it.
I'm gonna anchor up over here. So just anchored up. Time to get rigged up for sturgeon. Once again, I'm using a Shimano Travella 7-foot medium light rod, 40-pound braid for main, and I'm actually top shotting 65-pound, about 4 or 5 feet. And here I got a sinker slider in the B and 100-pound weighted swivel snap, and a 20-inch leader with a 65-pound mono, and a 8-aught circle hook from Gamakatsu, and a 100-pound weighted Vera swivel at the end. And for the sinker, I'm gonna start out with 6 ounce, see if they will hold it. I'd rather use a lighter sinker if possible. I also brought 8 ounce and a 10 ounce as well. And on this guy, I'll be using some salmon roe. My buddy George caught a nice hen at a Sacramento port. I don't know if you guys saw that video. If you haven't, I'll leave a link in the description, so check it out. So I'm going to make a short cast. I just sparked 2 more fish over here.
How deep?
25. And I'm using the rod balancer from Scotty, and I'm putting a rod balancer on this side too. Alright, 2 lines in the water. Now it's just waiting game. I'm getting nibbles. Alright, time to make a move. I've been sitting here for about an hour. Nothing. Well, a couple nibbles, few nibbles here and there, but other than that, no real bite, no real strike. Throw for a little bit while changing location. You guys having fun without me? Getting any bites? Nope. I was getting like nibble here and there. Yeah, I have a little striper pecking at it. I was marking sturgeon over there at 23 feet, so I'm going back. I got a salmon roe on this one, and I'm gonna go with American shad on this guy. Oh, come on now.
Hoping that you see something too.
I've been getting a striper bites on the roe. Striper. Little striper.
On the row?
On the row.
Not a keeper?
Huh?
Not a keeper?
No, about 15 inches. Little shaker on the row. Fish on. Fish on. A little bigger.
strong move?
Yeah, you got something on. A lot bigger.
There's a bunch of fish jumping around me, man.
Whew. Putting drag. Doesn't feel too big. It's a dino. It's a dino.
Got a dino.
Nice.
Got one! Yeah! Got one!
Nice, nice.
On the roll.
How big?
Not too big. I'm about to measure it. There you go. Woo! Settle down, settle down. Oh, calm down. I think it's a shaker. Yeah.
Size limit?
37 inches. Oh, nonetheless, it's a dino. Oh. There you go, guys. Shaker dino, 37 inches. It's a shaker, 37. So release. Get bigger, buddy. First dino from the kayak. I'm still happy though.